Good day, viewers. So today, we'll be looking at the divisibility rule of 8. That's to check how 8 can divide a number without actually dividing the number. So if you are given any number to check for its divisibility by 8, you pay attention to only the last 3 digits. Check whether 8 divides the last 3 digits. If 8 can divide the last 3 digits, then 8 can divide all of the numbers. Okay? So the last 3 digits, you classify them as hundred tens and units. If the hundredth term is odd, then and the tens is 1, 5 or 9, then the unit must be 2 for it to be divisible by 8. So if odd, then tens is 2 or 6, then the units must be 0 or 8. If 100 is odd and tens is 3 or 7, then the unit must be 6. If the 100 is odd and tens is 4, 8 or 0, the unit term must be 4. So the same thing with even. If even 1, 5, 9, then unit must be 6. If tens is 2 or 6, then the unit must be 4. If the tens is 3 or 7, the unit must be 2. If the hundreds is even and tens is 4, 8 or 0, then the unit must be 0 or 8. So if this happens, if this condition here is satisfied, then that original number is divisible by 8. Okay, so let's look at the example. Which of these numbers is divisible by 8? 2, 5, 6, 8. So we pay attention to the last 3 numbers: 100, tens, and units. Okay, the 100 term 5 is odd. So if it's odd, then 6, tens is 6, then unit is 8, is satisfied. Okay, so this number is divisible by 8. So let's look at 3147. Now this one we don't need to waste time because the last digit here is odd number, and 8 is 2 into 3 times. So if 2 cannot divide 7, then there's no 8 does not have any business dividing 7. Okay, so we don't need to test for that for here. If any number ends with an odd number, then automatically it is not divisible by 8. Okay, so this one is not divisible by 8. So let's look at this one, 832. For 832, of course, it's only 3 digits, so we just say 100 tens and units. The 100 term is 8, which is even. So tens is 3 and the unit is 2. So this is divisible by 8. This one, 13,440. So the last 3 digits, 100 tens and unit. The 100 is 4 even, tens is 4. So we look at the last digit, 0 or 8, and it's 0 here. So which means that this number is divisible by 8. Thank you very much.